Here's a guy in a boat coming through this. It's got to be going 10-12 knots. Appears to know what he's doing, although I'm sure it's a little scary on his boat. These captains are used to these waters. There's special ways you can actually come through it, but you know, you really got to know what you're doing, and this guy apparently does. So he made it safe and sound by the looks of it. Very good.